Hey everyone, what I've got here is is it XINKO, XINKO? I really don't know how you're supposed to pronounce that. But this is a protective case for the Pocophone F1. Now the Pocophone F1 does come with this see-through gel type of case. They throw it in the box, and you know, for a basic little case it's actually not too bad, but it doesn't really offer any protection per se. You know, there isn't really any depth between the glass and the top, so if you put this down, if it falls, yeah, it's going to get damaged. But you know, it's a good starting point. So take that off and look at the XINKO, XINKO, whatever you call it. So I've opted for the red. There is a variety of colours. The one I bought was actually £7.99, which is an absolute rip-off because this is like 20 pence worth of case. But I digress. Let's get this open. So there's the case itself. It's more like a kind of hard case than the silicone style that you've got here. This is the kind of bendy silicone gel type. This is a hard shell. Seems to have all the cutouts that you would need. It doesn't have a cutout for the micro SD card, but that's not important because it's not something you use every single day. So very easy to put on. And you know, I was someone who actually wanted the red Pocophone F1 and they didn't have it in stock. So let me just see if it's hard to get out as well. I bought the blue because it was the only one in stock, and not as easy to get off as the silicone one. So I bought the blue one, but you can see here when I put this into the red case, you know, apart from there where you can see it's blue, it kind of hides the fact that I've got a red one. You can't really see in the camera there that this is the blue version. The only point there is the bottom. So the cutaway for the sorry, I'll get this in shot. The cutaway for the USB Type-C charging port seems okay. It's got a grill there for the speakers. There is a mic port there, so there's a hole for the mic, there's a hole for the headphone jack. There's, you know, the cutaways for the cameras and the flash in the back as well. So power seems okay. And if I use a fingerprint sensor, volume up, yeah, it's actually okay, not too bad. I actually think this is really nice. So again, the same criticism that as I gave to this one, there isn't a huge amount of protection on this one. There really isn't any protection at all at the front. The advertisement says there's like 0.3 or 0.4 millimeters, but to be honest, it doesn't even look like there is even any kind of protection at all at the front. So maybe I'll try and look for another solution. I mean, it does have Gorilla Glass, but that's not always going to stop from a drop. Not going to stop anything breaking from a drop. Looks wise, I think this looks absolutely amazing. Protection wise, from a side hit or a back hit, it's going to be okay. If you drop this from the front, I don't think this is going to survive. But I think this looks pretty sexy with the case on. £7.99. Yeah, it's just a basic little case. It's about 20 pence, 20 cents worth of plastic. But this is the phone case market, and they always overcharge for what they're giving you. So this is the XINKO, XINKO, who knows what this is, but some of the colours are a little bit cheaper at £3.99. For £3.99, I think this is a bargain. At £7.99, it's probably a little bit too much for what it is. It needs more protection at the front, but apart from that, yeah, I think this is actually quite a sexy little case. There you go. So thanks for watching, guys. If I do any more case reviews, I will let you know. I may look at getting something else, but for the meantime, let me know if you have any questions, and I'll speak to you all very soon. Take care.